First open CapCut and create a new project. Tap on text icon, the plus sign, to add text to your video. Drag text layer to cover the entire duration of your clip. You can now type in your text you want to animate. Select text layer by tapping on it, and in the toolbar find Basic tab. Scroll down until you see Position option. Position playhead at the start of clip. Click on Keyframe icon next to Position to create your first keyframe. Set initial position of your text, and then move playhead to the point where you want the text to start moving. Adjust position of text to where you want it move, and this will automatically create second keyframe. If you want text to move again, move playhead further along the timeline. Change text position to new desired location, and this will create another keyframe. And text will move from the previous keyframe position to this new position.